Welcome to Sarika's Art Fundas. Near Thane district, Warli people are staying and they are performing Warli art on their huts. You can see Warli painting on my sari also. So friends, today we are going to learn Warli painting on tinted paper with white color. Warli paintings are done by Warli tribe ladies. They are creating these paintings on their hut. First they are plastering the walls of their hut with red color soil. They are creating these paintings with small stick wrapped with cloth, and they are creating these all beautiful paintings with rice paste. They are mixing the water in rice flour and creating this paste. Mostly these paintings are done on marriage ceremonies and on functions. I am going to teach Warli paintings in two methods. First is block painting. Circular shapes we will be using the backside of the chalk, and for triangular part we are going to use this cardboard and clay. Inside I have filled the clay and this cardboard I have created triangular block. First we have to decide the placing of the figure and then we have to print like this triangular prints. Another triangular print. We are creating all the figures with same way, and then the detail work of the figures we will be doing. Warli paintings are symbolic paintings, and so figures of ladies are shown like this, only with showing Judah. Wherever we want to create ladies painting, we will create this Judah. Tip of the brush, back side of the brush I have taken for it. Now we are creating their hands and legs with brush with symbolic manner like Warli painting. These are the legs. One picture on her head. One small child is with her. Gents figure. Having grass on his head. Legs. They are creating the shape of the animals also in symbolic way like this. This is bullock. Their tools also they are drawing in symbolic way. Legs. Another gents figure. One girl feeding the hens with the grain. If the print color is not proper, you can overlap the color like this here with the brush. Here is the man playing musical instrument. Small children are dancing on the rhythm. Man is carrying a child on his shoulder and another shoulder basket is there. One lady is grinding the flour in the stone grinder. Now let us draw some features of their villages. This is a hut of bamboo. simple lines. Tree with simple shape. This method of block painting I have taught mostly for small children. They can paint it very easily. The another method of Warli painting I am going to show, that is drawing and painting method. For that we have to draw the figures and then we have to paint with white color. Well, here oval, first we have to create the oval and then some lines like this to show the stones. The wheel. Take 1 or 2 number brush for it and paint easily. First the circle, then the Judah. Our brush must be loaded with color, then finishing will be nice. Legs. This is cock. Cock's body with semicircle they are showing. Feathers. Crown. Beak and the legs. Cow showing with triangular portion parts. Dancing figure of a lady. We are coloring the tree now. Kite shape or rhombus are created for showing the leaves. They are showing the leaves in many ways. Our Warli painting has been completed now. Let us see from close. These Warli paintings I have done in my doorstep with red color oil paint and white acrylic paint. Painting I have done Warli village and Tarpa Nritya. Here are the bridegroom shown on the horse. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and share my videos. Thank you.